The global governing body of cricket, the International Cricket Council, has become the latest victim of online fraud. The cricket body has reportedly lost near $2.5 million in the online scam after fraudsters used deception and forgery to trick the ICC officials at its Dubai headquartered office. According to the reports, the alleged scam was done from USA in the year 2022. The route used by fraudsters to commit the financial scam was business email compromise, also known as email account compromise, which the Federal Bureau of Investigation describes as one of the most financially damaging online crimes. A BEC scam is a type of phishing in which organizations and people are duped into sending wire transfers. In a congressional report from last November, the FBI reported that in 2021, BEC-related claims to its Internet Crime Control Center totaled more than $2.4 billion. In the report, the FBI stated BEC scams usually invoke, as quoted by ESPN Cricinfo, spoofing of a legitimate known email address or the use of a nearly identical address to appear as someone known to or trusted by the victim. As per reports, the ICC was repeatedly cheated by the scamster not once, not twice, but 4 times. Surprisingly, the authorities at the ICC Dubai office did not have a clue that they were being cheated until Thursday. The scammer created a fake email ID pretending to be an ICC consultant. A voucher was then sent to the finance department of ICC. The requisite money, $500,000 in one instance, was cleared and sent into the scammer's account. Such was the sophistication of the entire process that ICC fell prey to the scam multiple times. According to the reports, ICC's chief financial officer and the entire financial department in Dubai is under heavy scrutiny. Federal Bureau of Investigation will be involved in the case as the phishing source is based in the US. Incidentally, the money ICC lost in the incident could have been used to fund multiple associate nations for an entire year. On average, an ODI associate nation ranked 13 to 20 gets $500,000 to $1 million in funding from the ICC. ICC falling prey to such a scam is unheard of. Multiple checks and balances are in place when any amount is transferred to a third party. ICC has not commented on the issue so far. It is only likely to release a statement once the extent of the scam is unearthed.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.